you're a champion. You're a freaking winner. You won the last event. You can win this event. We're gonna stomp some Miatas, destroy the competition, bring home another damn trophy. What the hell are you guys doing here? So, I am really sorry you had to see my little positive reinforcement session. But, beyond that, I'm pretty stoked for tomorrow night's event. Tomorrow is PBIR's first event of the year, I believe, because I believe the last one was canceled. So, we're going to head to the garage, set the new wheels and tires up on the car, because last event, I was way too late in rushing it because I got off of work. I'm just not going to let that happen. So, let's get to the garage, get that done, get the car all prepped. That way, tomorrow, as soon as we get off of work, we can just head right to the track. All right, you ready? You guys ready to go? I'm ready to go. Whoa, just like that. We're back in the garage. As you can see, some birds have completely desecrated my holy grail here. But first, we gotta do something about these wheels. We gotta get them, I don't know, better, like... So, boys, we're all set for tomorrow. Everything is out of the car that needs to be out of the car. The stock wheels included. We are back on our sticky icky ooh-wee Johnnies, the RE71s with hypergrams with RE71, you know, something like that. You get it, okay? And I just want to point out what I was saying earlier about smashing Miatas and being number one and I'm the best driver in the world. Obviously, that's a joke, right? Autocross, for me at least, is way more so about me bettering myself, bettering my driving, becoming a decent driver. And secondly is the competition. I always want to make sure that's clear. It's not about being number one. And that's what I love about Autocross the most is there's a serious camaraderie, there's a lot of brotherhood in it. There's a few people coming out to this event, which I highly, highly respect. I've met them at the ERSC events. So if you haven't seen those videos yet, watch them because you might see some familiar faces. All right, so until tomorrow, I will catch you guys at the track. All right, ready, set, go. Whoa. And we're back, and we're late, as per usual. I can't do shit about not being late. Roadhouse is here, of course, killing it. Skylar's not here, so we won't see any mirrors getting busted off. But, you know, maybe I'll bust mine off, you never know. So we're gonna get right to it. They already did their sight laps, I believe, or they're doing their sight laps right now. So I gotta hurry the fuck up. I'm probably the latest one, I'd say, period. So we gotta get to it. See you guys on track. Now we're ready. You didn't see any of that. We didn't forget to put numbers on the car. I would never do that. I'm gonna try not to. I'm gonna try not to fail myself, really. I gotta finally take it easy my first lap, though. I never do, so. No, send it, go. All right, fuck it. Said to send it, right? I tried to make you proud, but I don't. Cool. I forgot about the cold tires for a second there. I'm like, oh shit. We're in it now, right? Yeah. Too late to back down. Pretty quick, dude. And just like that, boys and girls, we are down to 53 seconds, pretty much flat. First off, I mean, so far we're leading. I don't have much hope in that though, because there's some really fast drivers here. But beyond that, it means we're very close to our times from last time out. So that's really good to know. We're only half a second off of where we want to be pretty much in order to beat our last session time. So I'm going back out there. I adjusted tire pressures just a little bit, just a wee little bit. So one thing I failed to mention earlier, guys, is the Ricer Miata is actually here. So he's in the SR20 Miata. It's pretty fucking cool. These tires pick up everything. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but man. Clink, 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 clink. I think the key is though, when I'm catching oversteer, I just gotta power through it. I gotta keep it going. Gotta keep our momentum up.
A few moments later.
Oh shit. Alright boys, so my buddy, Roadhouse Racing, was kind enough to throw his GoPro on the side of my car. So it's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna have dual angles on this one. Should be pretty dope. Hope you guys enjoy it. And thank you very, very much to Roadhouse. That felt fast. Like it felt like I was very used to the tires there. Like it felt like it was very predictable what was going on, and I used it to my advantage, obviously. So that felt great. great. Good little run. All right, boys, let's take a pizza break. Let's check out Rudnik's car, huh? So what do you have done to this exactly?
So it's an SR20 in a Miata, as you can see.
It's dirt nasty, by the way.
Yeah,
the way it's fucking
67
ripped.
RS turbo.
Jesus Christ.
Right now, with the Rage plugged in, the Rage plug, it makes about 430 to the wheels.
430 fucking Miata.
With it out, without the wastegate plugged in, it's about probably 350.
And that's what you were running earlier,
Yeah,
right?
I just plugged it in, so I'm at like 430. But these NCO1s sadly are get a bit toasty on me.
And for the record, we're back to back. We are like battling it out. I didn't think, when I saw this car on Instagram and shit, I didn't think I had any fucking chance seeing the SR in it. But yeah, that'll fucking do it.
Yeah, no, these are like, you can almost barely feel the grooves.
Fuck.
And the camber wear is pretty gnarly right there.
Oh damn, yeah, you're fucking.
I'm literally running on slicks.
You are fucking there right now,
Yeah.
dude.
Might as well be wired.
Damn, even the dash and shit.
Yeah,
Fuck.
I'll pop the hood for you.
As an XNA owner, like seeing an SR20 move around that track, I'm like, fuck a 240 SX. I want something like this as a drift car.
Ignore the rattle. This thing's a rattle box.
Damn. Bro.
It's fun. Rattle box.
It's so perfect for a fucking Miata too.
Dude, it
like
fits good.
It's literally perfect.
Yeah,
it's literally
it's awesome.
perfect. Well, yo, thank you
Yeah, no
very,
problem.
very much.
Hopefully,
For
I can
showing
meet
me.
you. If not, I'm
Dude.
gonna go spend all my money on NCO1, so we're gonna meet back here next month.
We should meet back
We're
here
gonna-
for sure.
we're
We
gonna
should do it,
again.
dude. I love
My
it.
feelings are hurt.
So we got new competition at Autocross. This is great. So,
Take it easy, man.
dude, you too.
We're gonna just do trophies quick, and then we'll open it back up if you guys want to keep running. So, of course, we're gonna get green on here. 4-cylinder, normally aspirated. First place, Ryan Derry. Awesome, man.
Thank you so much.
Number 2.
I appreciate it. Hey. All right, guys, and the one girl who watches my video. Hi, Mom. How are you doing? That's it for tonight. We are packing up. We are all done. The baby did her thing. We brought another one home. And once again, very sorry, Rudnik. I'm sorry to take that away from you, but you know, it happens. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, do something, and do the other thing if you feel like it. That's it. Have a great night.